Hey guys, today we're in our 2016 Dodge Challenger and we're going to show you how to install a ProClip phone holder. Right here you will screw on the part that actually holds your phone, but these ProClips are essential for a busy mom like me because I use it for GPS, for making phone calls, just to be hands-free. Now this phone holder in particular is customized to your vehicle, so if you have a Dodge Challenger like us, it'll fit perfectly into your vehicle. If you have different vehicles, there's different clips, but there's something for everyone. So I'm going to show you the back. It comes with an adhesive that will stick to your vehicle, but when you decide to take it off, if you do choose to, it won't leave any type of residue. With our clip for the Dodge Challenger, you'll find that there's two lips, and the top one is going to go into this seam right here in between this dashboard and the silver lining here, and then the other part, this lip, will go in between this seam. So it'll be very secure, so no more of that shaking or feeling you're going to lose your phone when you're driving. Okay, so we're going to get started with prying it into the actual seam. So before we mount the actual phone holder onto this clip, we're going to take a Phillips screwdriver. We're going to loosen the middle screw right here until the back end comes off. Now, the purpose of doing this is so you can remove this back part and make it easier to screw on the 4 screws that will mount it securely to this clip. To attach the 4 screws, you're going to need a smaller Phillips screwdriver. Before we attach our phone holder onto the clip, I have to mention that we have an adjustable phone holder from ProClip because we have a Huawei P30 Pro and they didn't have one specific to our phone, and ProClip actually has clips that are specific to iPhones, to other type of Androids, so it'll come specific to your car and to your phone. So this one we have to adjust before we actually mount onto here, but it is a perfect fit once we get it on. To get the perfect fit, we're going to slide these little arms out. We're going to keep these 2 screws a bit loose. And then we're going to basically measure the width of the phone. We're going to slide it in. Then squeeze the 2 parts so it's snug. And then we're going to slowly slide out the phone without moving the arms. And then use the screwdriver, the Phillips screwdriver, to tighten it. That'll give us the perfect fit. For the final step, we're going to take the phone holder and attach it to the clip. Then take your larger screwdriver and secure it onto the clip. And it's as simple as that, and we're done.